What is the doubt here?
Can you explain this question, sir?
Very close to the Earth's surface. So what will be the radius of the satellite? Circular motion.
R, sir.
So it's undergoing a circular motion like this. If we see from the top of the North Pole, this is how the circle is. Some point of time it is given an impulse along its direction of motion. So as to increase the velocity to alpha times. Now it goes into elliptical orbit. See, for elliptical motion, do you know that we have to keep the we have to keep the total energy negative?
Yes, sir.
What is the potential energy at this location?
Sir, minus of G into mass of Earth into mass of satellite by R, sir. Plus half mv squares total energy.
This should be
Negative, sir.
so what we have to find out. Now what is V already? It was in orbital velocity, na?
Yes, sir.
So already what was the value of V?
Sir, root gm by R, sir.
Alpha should be less than root 2.
Yes, sir.
What is the doubt in this question?
I didn't think that to apply the total energy should be negative, sir.
That's the only differentiating factor between an elliptical and a parabolic and a hyperbolic orbit, na?
Yes, sir.
For parabolic orbit, what is the mechanical energy?
Parabolic, I don't know, sir.
Okay. For parabolic orbit, the energy is 0. For elliptical, it is negative, and for hyperbolic, it is positive.